Alright, today we're going to spend a little time cleaning up the woods. Had a lot of storms roll through the area over the last couple months. Quite a few of them making national news. We have been really fortunate right where we are that no significant damage. But down here in the woods, we've got quite a few fallen limbs and decent sized mess. So I think today we're gonna maybe load the truck up a couple of times and get those off to the tree dump. And yeah, probably be a multiple day ordeal. I don't know how much time I'm gonna have tomorrow, but we'll get as much done as we can today and revisit it a couple times over the next couple weeks and try and get it all cleaned up. So, show you back here. This seems to be the most significant of the fallen trees, and fortunately it was one that was dead. Walk over here and get to it. So this right behind me, it was dead, leaning over. Every time I mowed under it, I was pretty certain it was going to fall on my head. And fortunately, way up here, let's see if I can find it. Thinking maybe right around here. Had this one with the leaves and the bark, right about there. That fell into this, knocked it down, and it kind of did me a favor, but it needs to be cleaned up. Grass and weeds are all growing around it, so it's getting harder and harder to get to, and quite buggy down here too. And I don't know how well they show up, but each of these little brown clumps, how's this work? There you are, is another fallen branch. So we'll get some of those cleaned up and try and make some progress, see how much of this I can get picked up and maybe mowed back too, and go for some more. I gotta tell you, one of the most important things when you're working in places like the woods out there, bug spray. Especially this time of year, you can see on the clock in the back there, it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It gets pretty nasty. Just using some off. Couldn't find the deep woods off that's usually hanging around here. So, and make certain you get that all over. Spraying a little bit in the hands. Nice aftershave. I'll smell all kinds of good, and hit that hat pretty good too. Okay, so the tools for today. Just have some various loppers, and got the hand ones, bigger ones. Got a bow saw, and most importantly, the DeWalt chainsaw. Absolutely love that thing. Like not having to deal with the maintenance of a standard gasoline-powered chainsaw. Just not quite as powerful, but it does everything I need it to. And of course, got a selfie stick, because you always have to have a selfie stick. So now I'm I'm just gonna go around and grab the smaller sticks that I can, drag some into a pile here, and kind of see what I can fit in the truck. I'll probably hold off chopping this into pieces until a little later. And so I'm gonna mount you guys over in the corner, turn it on to some high-speed video, and get to work here. I'm gonna run this up to the tree dump, come back, gather up some more of this. A lot of these upper branches with all the leaves are kind of hard to fit too much in here. I need a shredder. Maybe that's an idea. selfie stick could come in handy. So, got that load done. I think it's time to get that off the tree dump. I'll unload it and get in, shower up, get this edited, and kind of call it a night. I'm pretty worn out. Got a big day at the office tomorrow. So, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you all next time.